Hello YouTubers, thank you for coming to my channel again. I hope you guys doing okay. Alright, I got a 2006 Nissan Altima. I'm going to show you how you change your solenoid. Okay, this solenoid, it's called the variable time solenoid. Should look like this. Okay, I got this one from AutoZone. Part number is TS1033. It's expensive part. If you get it online, you can get it cheaper, but if you get it from your store, it's pretty inexpensive. All right, so I guess there's two ways of this solenoid that comes out. One way it comes out like the whole part, which is gonna look like this one here. So that's the whole assembly. This one here, it's just a solenoid. So what you gotta do is you gotta pop the tender right there and just pry this part out, put some oil in the new ring and put it right in there. Okay, so if you have any doubts about which one it's the right one that you gotta change, it's two different ones. You have B, which is for bank 2, and you have A, which is for bank 1. Okay, and you don't have to take this whole intermanifold to get it out. Let me see if we get some view here. See there, it's kind of odd to get a shot right there, but I'm going to show you what it is after I remove this. So the first step you want to do is you got to remove this valve. It's kind of like a diesel valve in the BMWs. So it has 3 bolts. One, has 1, it has 2, and 3 right there. See it? It's right there. Okay. All right. So you take those off. Okay, that's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. All right. Once you remove that, just pop this part. Go sideways. So go sideways so that way it gets some clearance. You have this thing here in the way, so just work your way out. So there it is. Okay, once you remove that, then you have a full access to the valve. Okay, it's gonna be a little hard. That connector back there, it's a green connector. You gotta remove that connector. I mean, if you pull the whole thing, it's probably you'll have a better chance of taking that connector out. That connector is this green connector right here. All right, press it, comes out. So this valve has 3 bolts only. So that's, you can see it right there. I already lose them. So it's 1, 2, 3. So let's get them out. Okay, that's 1. Okay, that's 2, and bingo. All right, same way. Just kind of just pry it out. There you go. It's out. All right. So next step, what you want to do is now a really cool tip here. There is a gasket in this solenoid. That's this gasket here. If this gasket is bad or cracked, change it. Maybe just go to a dealer. When you buy the whole solenoid here, it comes with it. But in case it doesn't, you have to go to maybe a dealer and just buy that. It's made out of metal, I think. Yeah, it's kind of like metal. All right. Then your next step is going to be loosen this solenoid here. Let's see if I get you guys can see it. So you just lose that. It's like a 10. Pull that out. Okay, put that on the side. Then just gently go here. And there we go. All right. When you put the new one in, make sure you put like some kind of fluid in here. So there you go, guys. That's your solenoid. All right. Now let's compare it with the new one and see what is the difference between them. And there you go. Okay, same thing. Okay, so you pull this one out. There you go. And put the new one in. Just go right easy. Right there. Okay. And then just push it. Just make sure, like I say, put some oil here. Okay. And everything else is going to be the reverse way I took everything. Remember, when these solenoids they go out, there is a way to testing it. What you would do is you would have to put, let's see how it goes, like that. All right, so these solenoids are easy to check. If you want to check the electrical, what you want to do is you got to put a positive in this side and a negative in this side. Once you do that, you should hear a click on this solenoid. Okay, that tells you this solenoid is actually good. I don't know if I can probably do this in camera. I'm gonna try to do my best, maybe just to kind of show you what I'm talking about. So I have a power probe here. I want to see the connector here. So on this connector here, I have the positive in this side, so it's going to be the left side. All right, so what I want to do here is I would put negative on this side, like that. All right, negative in one side, and then I'm going to come with my power probe here, and you got a continuity here. You guys see it? It's kind of hard to get a shot here. Right there. Okay, you got a continuity here. Then you click on it. There you go. I don't know if you guys hear that. Right there. It's a little click, you can hear it. Alright, so that tells you this this solenoid is good. Alright. So let's see, let's check the new one and see what noise it makes. If it makes a stronger noise or it makes a weaker noise. All right, so this is gonna be there. Oh, definitely, it's way powerful. You hear it? Yes, hear that? All right, it's way powerful. Maybe would it make a good connection here? Yeah, this one sounds like it fell, but again, I'm gonna change it because I'm getting the PO0011, but maybe it just doesn't have enough pressure. Now the other thing you got to look here, it's very important, because I just find out my problem here, and I know it's not that the issue is not that solenoid. All right, and this connector here, yeah, that would be a good sample right here in this connector. Okay, and this connector here, okay, what you're gonna find here, you're gonna find two readings. All right, let's see if I can get to work this. All right, there's my so you're gonna check this wire here. Okay, pay attention to this. All right, so there you got 0, that's your ground right there. Okay, 0.23, so that's your ground. Okay, it's coming from the computer. I believe that might come from the computer now. And then you're gonna have a hot right there. You see it? Okay, 1218. All right. All right. And this connector that I have here, this connector, I don't know. It's gonna be hard for me to film this. Holding the three things, but anyways, I'm just going to try to explain you here. There's a red and there's a red something, okay? Alright, so this circuit right here is death. Doesn't have ground, doesn't have 12 volts, okay? So that right there tells me that the problem is not the solenoid. It's something electrical, so I have to follow up. Alright? But this video wasn't intent to do that. This video was just intent to show you how to change this valve right here, so you guys be able to change it. Again, like I told you, you could buy the whole assembly like this, or you can just buy that. So either ways, it's going to work. All right, guys, thank you for watching. You guys have a great day. God bless you. Thank you.